Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the password manager function in the Google Chrome application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three dots at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And at this section, click on the password manager button. And as you can see, here are the passwords that you might want to check. You can also add a password, and here you can find your saved passwords, and you can always just delete them if you don't want to save it on this device anymore. And once you're done with this section, just click on the done button to save it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.